Hello my friends, hope you're having a wonderful day. It's Memorial Day and you know what that means. It's time to barbecue some burgers, hot dogs, chicken, ribs, brisket, and all that good stuff. So today's recipe, I'm going to show you how to make some Southern barbecue baked beans. And these are the bomb.com. They're going to be so delicious, easy, and everybody will enjoy this recipe. Great for any barbecue cookout. I'm Ellen, and I want to welcome all my new and returning subscribers to on. So grab your beans and your pot sugar because we're about to bake some Southern barbecue baked bean magic in my Southern kitchen. Here we go. Alright my friends, in my large pot I have a tablespoon of olive oil. And we're going to add in a half of a red bell pepper, 1 clove of garlic, and a fourth of an onion dice. And we're going to saute the vegetables until they're nice and translucent. Alright my friends, the vegetable is nice and translucent. So next, we're going to add in 1 28-ounce can of baked beans. Make sure that they're the original. And to me, these ain't baked beans without some good old molasses. So I'm adding 2 tablespoons of molasses, 2 tablespoons plus 2 teaspoons of your favorite barbecue seasoning, and a half a cup of barbecue sauce. And all we do is stir all these ingredients together, and we're going to bring this to a low simmer. All right, my friends, the beans has come to a nice simmer. So now we're going to cover them. And we're going to put them in the oven. We're going to put it in the preheated 275-degree oven, and we're going to let them bake for 45 minutes. All right, I'll see y'all back here in a minute. All right, my friends, this is what our beans look like after been baking for 45 minutes, and I put them in the bowl. So next, for our final ingredient, we're going to add in some diced chicken breast, or you can shred it, or the meat of your choice, and make sure it's cooked, and stir the chicken in. Alright my friends, there you have it, Southern barbecue baked beans, and it smells incredible up in this kitchen. See how simple and easy this recipe is? It looks marvelous. Alright, so now I'm about to give these beans a try. Give me some beans and a little chicken. Ooh, Lord have mercy. Here we go. Bursting with barbecue goodness, great flavor. These are some amazing barbecue baked beans, my friends. Baked bean-licious. My friends, thank you so much for watching and joining me in the kitchen today. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. I do appreciate it. Don't forget to share this with your family and friends. Like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And click on the bell so that way you'll be notified when my new videos come out. And I'll see y'all on the next video. Let's eat, and happy Memorial Day.